What's up, guys? It's your realtor, Mark Fittante. Today we're going to go over the VA loan. The reason why I chose this topic for today is because I saw a statistic that said 7 out of 10 veterans don't even know about a VA loan. Being a veteran myself and now realtor, that's kind of something hard to hear. I say that because a lot of us feel that we didn't do much, and I get that. Even if you deployed or didn't deploy, I understand. A lot of us just don't really feel like we did anything worthwhile, but you did, and you deserve to reap some benefits from it even after you get out. And the VA loan is one of the most powerful benefits that you received from good old Uncle Sam. So I'd like to get into that, and we'll just quick couple things I want to hit on it. It's not going to be a crazy long video. I just want this to be fast and informational, and then if you guys have more questions later on, definitely put them in the comments down below, and I'll get after it and make some more content for you guys. Let's start with this. One of the best things about it is the no money down aspect for the VA loan. That is a huge barrier entry for a lot of people looking to purchase a home, is saving for a down payment. And with the VA loan, you don't have to have a down payment. There's a lot of things in there that people say, oh, they take longer to close. Kind of the lenders that I use, we have personally done transactions in the past where it's been 15 days, 20 days. The longest part, honestly, in my experience, the longest part about a VA loan is just getting it inspected and appraised, because they get kind of nitpicky. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty much same process, as long as you have the right people that know what they're doing. So another thing that I hear people say is you can only use it one time. Not true. You can use it for any of your primary residences, okay? Usually to qualify for a primary residence is you're going to live in it 2 out of the 5 years that you own it. Obviously, if you sell it, like, you can buy another house that's going to be your primary residence. Yeah, you can use it over and over and over again, okay? Not only that, but you can use it for things like duplexes, whatever. You can do it for house hacking, they call it. Like buying a whole entire duplex and then renting out half the side. You can do it for those. So here's the other beauty of the VA loan, is that it's competitive with the rates. It's usually lower than conventional and FHA. Very competitive rates for the VA loan. You don't have to do any PMI, so that lowers your monthly mortgage payment. They're pretty flexible on the credit. Obviously, there's a certain bar that you have to hit, but it's relatively flexible. It's not like a conventional where it's got to straight up be a certain amount and then you get more based off it. The VA loans and lenders can get pretty flexible with it for veterans. Here's the thing. Here is how you get a VA loan. Step 1, work with a VA lender. Step 2, certificate of eligibility. If you are a veteran, DD-214, go to va.gov. You can get it off of there. You can also call the VA, but just try and get it on the website. We all know how that goes. To qualify for a VA loan, you either served for 90 consecutive days in active duty, or you have 6 years of service in the National Guard or Reserves. There's also a whole bunch of other things that can be a part of that. But I think for most people, 90 days will be everybody. Those are things to definitely check and compare with your service records, but it's not an insane amount to be eligible. So step 1, make sure you're eligible. Step 2, get your certificate of eligibility, either your DD-214 or whatever. Step 3 is to find a VA friendly lender. There are tons. A lot of people do VA loans. You don't have to go to Veterans United. Not that they're bad, but you don't have to go to a big name. You don't have to go to a small name. You can compare lenders, okay? I want everybody to know that, and I make it clear. You can compare lenders. You can talk to tons of lenders. You can do the same thing with me, like realtors. You can talk to tons of realtors till you find the right fit. You don't have to go with the first one you talk to, okay? So definitely make sure you compare, contrast, find the right fit for you, find the right rates for you, whatever. Find a lender that does VA loans, and from there, I mean, you just apply, and then they'll work with you, and you'll get a pre-approval letter, and then boom, house process. But if you do not know your VA benefits, especially for the home buying process, you need to learn about them, because that is a game changer. Lower monthly mortgage, flexible credit, no down payment, no PMI. Those are big, big things. That's a lot of money you are saving. I have helped veterans, even myself. I bought my home and I paid $600 total. I skipped out on the inspection. Don't do that. I just didn't have a lot of money at the time. But I skipped out on the inspection and I paid earnest money. So, you can do it. Yes, there's a lot of barrier to entry most of the time in a home ownership. But I'm making this video mid-November. The market's kind of weird right now because it's after election, but it's usually slow this time of year. If you've been on the fence about doing it, you can do it. Okay? Call me, text me. My number is somewhere. I'll put it in this video. I'll attach it somewhere. Text me, call me, leave a comment, whatever works. I'm here to help you guys. Till next time.